November is National Runaway Prevention Month, and I spoke with the CEO of National Runaway Safeline about how to intervene before it's too late. Many organizations are working to combat youth homelessness, and the National Women's Coalition Against Violence and Exploitation is one such group, a group that I've worked with and have been involved with for years. Now, according to the National Runaway Safeline, over 4.2 million young people ages 13 to 25 experience some form of homelessness each year here in the United States. Though that number in research does date back to 2017, the Safeline has noticed a couple of things recently. Susan Frankel says they've seen an increase in young people reaching out for help, a shift in the kind of help they're seeking, and the age of young people reaching out has decreased significantly.
The fastest growing group of young people reaching out to the Safeline are between really the ages of 10 and 14. And then on the other end of the spectrum, really seeing that 18 to 24-year-old age group also increase. So more needs, more looking for resources, more challenges that they're facing all together. In 2022, 42% of the youth who reached out for the Safeline for help or assistance were still at home. The reason that's so critical is that's such an opportunity for prevention or early intervention. We want to try to get young people connected to resources or options rather than living on the street or really facing other kinds of dangerous or precarious situations.
So here is what you need to know. The National Runaway Safeline operates a 24/7 crisis hotline, a traditional hotline, a phone system, as well as a live chat, live texting, or email. A live human voice will be ready to listen and talk day or night. I asked about the top 5 reasons young people reach out.
The top reason was family dynamics, which is essentially a catch-all kind of bucket for that could be problems with step-parents, family members, siblings. Anything you can think of can kind of fall under that from a family dynamic perspective. Emotional abuse, mental health. So mental health has been solidly the number 3 reason for youth reaching out since the pandemic began. Economics has moved into our top 5, which is new for 2022, and then physical abuse is number 5. When we break that down, we look at the state of California. They were all similar, with the exception of instead of physical abuse being the number 5, it was peer and social issues.
So resources like the Safeline's 24-hour hotline, online crisis services, as well as counseling services, shelters, food pantries, or even employment training programs, they are all essential to youth who are considering running away, as well as those who are already living on the streets. So spread the message, take advantage of these resources. Like I said, you know, this is a year-round effort, but in November, they really just try to ramp it up to give it more attention. And things like Go Green, wearing green, taking pictures, using the hashtags, posting about it gets more attention.
And normalize that it's okay to talk to somebody and get help before.
There is help out there,
Yes. Yep. All right, thank you for that.